Welcome back to Manny the Tech. Today we will be removing the 9th piece, which is the flame rollout switch. This piece is special. It's a safety device. So, it's a safety device and it's mounted near the burners, right here. This is the flame rollout switch. Okay. This is the flame rollout switch. It's a safety device mounted near the burner compartment of a furnace. It's usually small, like a button. Once I take it off, you'll be able to see it. It's like a button shape on the inside. And it got 2 wires. You know, the other wire we already took off. We got 1 wire left right here to take off. And this is like a sensor. So this is a very, very important piece. Right, today we're gonna remove it. We're gonna first take off the wire, which is right here, and this wire connects to the control board. Okay, and we're gonna take off the flame rollout switch.